2024 is going on, but still you guys are struggling with support, resistance levels or indicators? Dude, trust me, those are scam. In this video, I will show you how you can easily trade with secret knowledge. Yes, let me take few trades and I will try to compound them. Here is a perfect opportunity where I want to invest my 50 bucks. Okay, so let me switch it to 5 seconds for confirmation and perfect entry. Okay, perfect. Just look at my entry point. Literally awesome. Definitely this candle will close below my entry point. I know many of you were thinking for uptrade, but trust me guys, it's an illusion. Perfect guys, as I said, it closed below our entry point. Let me seek for next trade. Choosing a perfect opportunity with patience is a quality of a mature trader. You should learn not to trade on every candle. Okay guys, so now we got our perfect opportunity where we can easily analyze our two upcoming candles. I'm switching on to 5 seconds for confirmation and my perfect entry. Great. Now this trade will close above our entry point and our 93 bucks will be converted into 179 bucks easily. Perfect. Now as I told before, I will take one more trade here as I have already analyzed it. I am switching to 5 seconds for perfect entry. Alright, now this trade will close above our entry point. When I entered this chart, I saw that buyers have good strength which will be carry forward for at least 2 candles. Perfect traders. Let's find our final opportunity of this session, after which our 50 bucks will be easily converted into 600 bucks. Wow! As soon as I came to this chart, I understood the opportunity. This is the power of my knowledge, guys. Okay guys, now I am confident that this trade will definitely close below my entry point. I hope you guys liked my knowledge and my trading style. Let me show you my trade history as well. See guys, trading is so easy. You won't require huge money if you have a perfect knowledge. All of you can analyze my trades and comment the reason behind them. Subscribe my channel as I am going to upload more knowledgeable content this year. Thanks for turning into Mythic Trader. Until next time, stay mythical. Peace out.